So what this is a license plate light, and I broke the license plate light cover when I was trying to take it off. These are very fragile and they break real easy. I just kind of glued it all back together. Well, I found these things right here from LESAUCE, I think's what that is, and these are the LED license plate light. It's a 2-piece. You can see it right here, and actually has a little light on the outside, LED on the inside, and it's a plug-and-play design. Very simple. You get a high bright LED chips, IP68 waterproof, low power consumption, and you what? Non-polarity. Non-polarity means you don't have to add a little resistor to it. I did get this little, I guess that's a little waterproof seal right there. These come off pretty easy. You can kind of see this one right here. Now mine broke. I'm gonna have to pull all of this apart, but let me go ahead, install these things, and then we'll switch over and I'll show you what they look like when they're installed, because I think these are gonna be pretty cool looking. So let's do that now. What you wanna do is put a screwdriver in on the closest to the truck and then just pry up, and this will come out. Now you need to be careful because this does break pretty easy. I went ahead and added an LED to this, and that's what I was doing, but then I had found out I broke mine, so I just decided to go ahead and replace it completely. I put the other side in, and what I'm going to do is lube up these edges just a little bit, because with this coating on here, it's pretty tough to get in there. All you do is plug it in just like this. Like I said, it's all plug and play. Then you slide that back in. Now this is going to go in here like this. Check this out. That looks good. That looks good. Check it out. Hopefully I ain't got to take them back off. These things have 50,000 hours of life on them. Now let's go ahead, let's test it out. I'm going to turn the headlights on and let's see what these things look like, because it has red right here and then it shines out right here. So let's back up and let's see what this thing looks like. Oh yeah, check it out. That looks awesome. You got the LED light right there. You've got the LED light right there that shines, so it gives you a little more coverage when you look back. I got my tail lights there. I've got an upper brake light there. You got both tail lights right there. Now you got 2 red lights right here that are shining, and that should shine well. This is an upgrade I recommend for anyone that has like a little small Nissan Frontier where they broke these, and I think they make them for a wide variety of other trucks too. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the LESAUCE LED license plate light. See you on the next video.